Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am sharing with you a very easy recipe, a crispy Turkish borek filled with cheese and herb. Very quick to make and with very few ingredients, so stay tuned to find out how I make it. If you're new to my channel, press on the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Click on the like and share my videos with your family and friends. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients, you will need 300 grams of Turkish white cheese, or you can also use feta cheese if you prefer. 100 grams of grated cheese of your choice, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley chopped, 50 grams of butter, 70 ml of oil, 180 ml of milk, 1 packet of filo pastry. You can find the filo pastry in any supermarket or you can find it in a Turkish shop. Also, once you open the filo pastry, cover it well with a cloth so it doesn't dry up quickly and start crumbling when you're going to use it. And you are going to need some salt and pepper to your liking. Preheat the oven at 170 degrees. Then start by melting the butter. Crumble up the white cheese. And add the chopped parsley to the crumbled cheese. Mix it well and set aside. In another bowl, add the egg and beat well. Then add the oil to the egg and beat. Add the milk and mix. Then add the butter and mix. Add the salt and pepper to your liking and mix well to combine all the ingredients and set aside. Butter well a tray with the size of the filo pastry if you have one, otherwise just fold or trim the extremities of the filo pastry. Unroll the filo pastry and delicately place one into the tray. Then brush well the filo pastry with the milk and egg mixture. And do the same with the second one. Then cover the filo with the cheese and the parsley mixture. Add some grated cheese and fold down the borders. Then repeat again the same process. Brush the filo pastry, add the white cheese and the grated cheese, fold the borders and repeat until you have no more white cheese mixture. Then cover with the filo pastry, brush with the milk and egg mixture and repeat the same process 6 times. Make sure you fold the borders properly so it doesn't burn. Once it's all covered with the filo pastry, start cutting the dough delicately the size you want using a sharp knife. You can make squares or rectangle shape. Then finish by sprinkling some sesame seeds or any seeds of your choice. And bake at 170 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven or until golden brown. Et voila, our Turkish borek are ready. They are crispy, cheesy and very filling. This makes the perfect savory snacks, lunch or dinner and are perfect for vegetarians. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, it's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.